to talk about housing market inventory, specifically how to tell if it's a buyer's market or a seller's market. So I'm going to break down something that most people don't talk about, most agents don't talk about, which is the absorption rate. This absorption rate is how you can tell if it's a buyer's market or a seller's market. Hey there, I'm Christina Sparks, realtor with Real Broker, owner, House of Sparks. Okay, so what is the absorption rate? It tells us how fast homes are selling in any given area. Basically, it's the number of homes sold per month divided by the number of homes currently for sale. Here's a simple example. If there are 100 homes on the market and 25 are selling each month, that's a 4-month supply of inventory. Now, here's a breakdown of buyer market versus seller's market. So if there's under 4 months of inventory, it's a seller's market. Homes are moving fast, or there's limited inventory. 4 to 6 months, it's a balanced market. Over 6 months, it's a buyer's market. There's more inventory and buyers have more leverage. Homes are sitting on the market longer too. Okay, so why does this matter? Why know or understand the absorption rate? What does it have anything to do with the housing market? Knowing this helps us price your home as sellers for how long it may take to sell and negotiate from the right position. As a home buyer, knowing this can also help you determine your strategy as you enter the housing market and start making offers. As a buyer, if it's a seller's market, you will likely have competition on homes you're interested in. If it's a buyer's market, you may be able to negotiate concessions and pricing. As a home seller, if it is a seller's market, that means that you have the upper hand on pricing and negotiation. As a seller, if it's a buyer's market, that means your home is going to sit on the market longer and you might have to negotiate with your buyer to get your house sold. Curious about the absorption rate in your neighborhood? Send me a message and I will pull the numbers for your area. If you have questions about the home buying or selling process, feel free to reach out. I am happy to help any way that I can. Have a great day.